Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing documents and choosing the right account type. Have your government ID and proof of address accessible so you can upload photos immediately. Once done, open the Sumup app or the desktop sign-up page and select Business versus Personal. This choice sets what verification is required. You'll enter your legal business name, tax ID, phone number, and email. Type carefully because these fields link to payouts and tax reports. Now tap Create Account to move to verification. Next, you complete verification to unlock payments. Upload clear images of your ID and take a selfie when prompted. Sumup uses these for automated identity checks, so steady lighting and matching details speed approval. Then add your bank account for payouts. Make sure the name matches your legal account holder. Sumup may send a micro deposit or ask for a bank statement. Verify the amount or upload the document. If you have a registered business, provide registration or VAT paperwork as requested. To finish, connect your Sumup reader or enable card acceptance in the app and run a small test sale to confirm payouts. Customize receipts, tipping options, and tax rates in the dashboard so transactions match your reporting needs. Make sure payout schedule and bank details are correct. Once approved, funds route automatically. If verification stalls or the reader won't pair, review uploaded document clarity and account names. If problems persist, contact Sumup support with your verification reference to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.